Hi, and welcome back to Live Shopping on YouTube. My name is Tra, and I'm a content strategist at YouTube. Planning your live stream in advance helps keep your live stream focused and well structured. Ask yourself these 3 questions as you plan your event. First, what is the purpose of your live stream? Is it to foster excitement, to launch a product, or to celebrate a key channel milestone? Having an end goal in mind helps you stay focused and manage the pace of your live stream. It's also good to think about the numbers in advance, such as the target sales revenue or units sold. This helps you keep track of the performance and think of ways to encourage sales as the live stream goes on. The second question is, what is the structure of the live stream? Plan ahead for various sections of the live stream. For example, some segments include the actual product review, mini games, product demos, a break section, or a Q&A section, and so on. And the last question is, how many products you'll be showcasing and in what order? Live streams have generally showcased 1 to 5 products per event, so please be sure to plan your lineup in advance. Now, the next thing to think about is the format of your shoppable live stream. There are a few formats we've seen creators engage with. The first format is the product launch. In a product launch event, a creator releases a new product from their store live. And live stream viewers are the first ones to witness this launch and be the first ones to buy the products as well. The next format is a tentpole moment. Many creators time their shoppable live stream with a key event, such as celebrating a key channel milestone or a seasonal shopping event. Lastly, we have seen creators collaborate with brands, retailers, and marketplaces to promote and sell their products. Live exclusive discounts and special deals are normally used to encourage participation and purchase from the audience. Viewers are drawn to live shopping when they feel it offers them the best deal in town. Therefore, it's important to think about designing attractive offers that drive the urgency to watch and buy live. Some examples of offers include special pricing. If you're selling your own products, consider introducing a special price for live viewers. If you're partnering up with a brand, consider negotiating an attractive deal for the products that you are promoting. We have also seen creators introduce live exclusive product bundles with discounts to drive even more purchases. We have seen many creators promoting a limited stock merchandise item, or personally sign the products, or find other ways to make the items extra special for their viewers. And lastly, building prior awareness and excitement is crucial to a successful shoppable live stream. So do call out the upcoming event in your regular video uploads and encourage your fans to set a reminder on YouTube. You can also tease the highlights, available deals, and offers so that your viewers know exactly what to expect. You can also share an image, a countdown, and the live stream link on your community tab and other social media handles. And lastly, create a live section on your channel layout to display upcoming and live events on your channel. And you're all set to go live. For more information on live stream setup and product tagging, please be sure to check the YouTube Help Center. Thank you.